Maharashtra extortion racket. It is a high-profile case. The case involved many well-known individuals, from police commissioners to ministers from Maharashtra government. The row, which began from Ambani bomb scare to the killing of Mansukh Hiren, has now many suspects, the most prominent of which is Sachin Waze. He is currently under the custody of the NIA, and as the investigative agencies grill him, newer details surface. The latest being that between December 2020 to February 2021, Waze had extorted Rs 4.7 crores in cash from the bars of Mumbai. But for whom was this heavy amount extorted? Well, it was for former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, and this puts the MVA government of Maharashtra in question once again. Hi and welcome to TFI English, the national and socio-political analysis arm of the TFI Media Group. I am your host Abhinav, and in this video I will tell you the story of Sachin Waze, Maha Vikas Aghadi government's top cop and his extortion industry. Let's begin. The case of dirty Mumbai police cop Sachin Waze keeps unraveling new facets of the extortion racket run under the Maha Vikas Aghadi government in Maharashtra, whose mastermind was former Home Minister Anil Deshmukh of the NCP. Sachin Waze has been arrested by the NIA for his involvement in the parking of an explosives-laden SUV outside industrialist Mukesh Ambani's residence and the murder of Mansukh Hiren. He was allegedly acting at the behest of political forces, and the central investigative agencies are thoroughly investigating all aspects related to the case. In an explosive revelation, the Enforcement Directorate has now been told by Sachin Waze himself that he collected Rs 4.7 crore in cash from Mumbai's bar owners and handed it over to the personal assistant of former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. The ED said that Waze, the former head of the Crime Intelligence Unit, as in the CIU of Mumbai Police, informed the bar owners and managers that this money will go to number 1 and crime branch and social service branch of Mumbai Police. In its remand application filed before a Special Prevention of Money Laundering Act court in Mumbai, the Enforcement Directorate stated that Sachin Waze was getting direct instructions from Anil Deshmukh, the then Home Minister, in a number of police investigations. The centrality of Anil Deshmukh, who was forced to resign as Home Minister from the Shiv Sena-led MVA government after the allegations against him surfaced, cannot be stressed enough. Sachin Waze said that in a meeting at Anil Deshmukh's official residence, he was given a list of bar and restaurant owners. In the meeting, Waze said he was asked to collect Rs 3 lakh per month from each bar and restaurant. The Vasuli extorted by Sachin Waze between December 2020 and February 2021 was to the tune of 4.7 crores and was personally handed by him to Kundan Sambhaji Shinde, the PA of Anil Deshmukh, in 2 installments in the months of January and February this year. The agency said that it questioned and recorded the statement of Waze twice at the Taloja jail in Navi Mumbai. The ED said that Waze's statement was further confirmed by 2 police officers who were also questioned by it. The ED has also been able to track down the money trail of the extorted money. The said money was sent through Hawala to 4 paper or shell companies located in Delhi that later diverted about 4.18 crore funds in garb of donations to a Nagpur-based charitable trust whose chairman is Anil Deshmukh himself. Why was Sachin Waze tasked with extorting money from bars and nightclubs, however? According to the ED, Rs 4.7 crore was collected from various orchestra bar owners and managers for smooth functioning of their bars after restricted hours without the restriction of performance artists and interference by the police. Essentially, the bar owners were paying the protection money. Protection from who, you may ask? Well, from the Maha Vikas Aghadi's police force. As reported by TFI, the NIA recently arrested former Incauter Specialist Police Officer and Shiv Sena leader Pradeep Sharma in connection with his probe into the Antilia bomb scare case and Mansukh Hiren's murder. NIA has named Pradeep Sharma as the ultimate mastermind behind the Antilia bomb scare case and the murder of Mansukh Hiren, while it seems individuals like Sachin Waze were operating under his directions. Much like Sachin Waze, Sharma too has a close connection with the ruling Shiv Sena in Maharashtra. Since Sachin Waze was operating at the behest of both NCP and Shiv Sena leaders, it would be safe to assume that the Maha Vikas Aghadi government would have been aware of the dirty cops' actions. The central agencies must investigate the culpability of the MVA government and make all details public as soon as possible.